it right now. Number 3 is AnkerMake M5 3D printer. It is introducing the AnkerMake M5 3D printer, a game changer in 3D printing. With its upgraded PowerBoost 2.0 technology, this printer will leave you in awe as it zooms through your projects at lightning speed, doubling the printing speed and acceleration without compromising quality. The M5's ultra-direct extruder and integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure ensure every intricate detail of your creations is brought to life with astounding precision. Stability and top-notch quality are never compromised, even when printing at high speeds. The result? Jaw-droppingly accurate prints that will leave you amazed. But that's not all. The M5 has an advanced error detection system that keeps your prints on track with its intelligent camera and real-time notifications. No more wasted time in filament due to errors like prints not sticking to the bed or extruder jams. It's like having your assistant ensure perfection in every print. With the AnkerMake app, AnkerMake Slicer, and even the power of Alexa, you have complete control over your prints from anywhere in the world. Inspiration strikes at unexpected moments, and you can act instantly. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number